are the management, principal sir, and all the people who involved in initiating this program in Vijayawada. Because this is summer vacation and the children are having also, they are also having vacation. So definitely I will not involve in this program if I have to attend at Hyderabad, heartfully. So now I am spending with my family, children, and also attending this program. So enjoying this program and involving this program. So first of all, I want to thank all the people who involved initiating this program. And next, coming to my experiences in this program, I want to thank first all mentors from Triple IT Hyderabad. Actually, I'm from Charan Group. Actually,
Alan Chappal లేదు.
Madam, I am from Innocent Group.
Yes, ma'am. Innocent. Innocent boy group.
Actually, for first assessment or Java first assessment, I don't remember. I talked to Charan that I'm feeling tension for this assessment. Then Charan told me that, madam, don't feel like assessment. You just feel like doing work or learning. And okay, if you are not able to perform this, okay, after you take some time and after some time you can again attend the test. So like that he encouraged me, and even my group members, my team members, especially Vijaydeep next to me, and then Shan sir, and Swami sir, Chandu, everybody helped me a lot. Actually, I can confidently say that I have learned something from this program in this 1 month. Actually, I have learned, truly I have learned Java, at least some percent, because I'm the beginner. I just know only the object-oriented concepts, that's all. But zero knowledge in implementation. So now, actually, as well as the mentors and also my team members, they helped me a lot. I used to ask Vijaydeep every time, Vijaydeep, why this error is coming always? Actually, I used to work in section 4. If I'm in section 4, they're in section 8. But still, they have to see my program and they have to see what is the error. And really, they helped me a lot. This is a really very good experience. Actually, Shan sir said that he wants to learn from me, but actually everybody, if they have some doubts, they used to ask. But it is the greatness of the person who attending it and who answering it. Every time, maybe in 1 month, I think in a day, maybe 20 to 30 times I used to ask Vijaydeep, Sham, Vijaydeep, Sham. Okay, they have so much patience, and really I have learned a lot from them. And really it's a very good experience. And then coming to the organization, I want to thank all the VR Siddhartha team members, Harsha and team, all the team, not only Harsha and team members, mentors from this college and PVP. I want to thank all of them because for arranging such a nice facilities like resources like we in all the 1 month we never said that there is no net connection, there is no power, there is no AC, no complaints, no single issue on all this 1 month. This is very very rare in whatever wherever we conduct such programs. We used to conduct programs, but I don't find this kind of arrangement.
Madam, దానికి రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ గారికి గట్టి క్లాస్.
Okay, I thank the people who behind this program also. I want to thank sir. Thank you, sir. Rajendra sir, thank you.
రాజేంద్ర సార్ గట్టి క్లాస్.
Really great in 1 month period of time, no single issue. And next thing, snacks and lunch. Every day we had special snacks. Every day I and madam thought of we should stop snacks today because we are simply sitting and doing. We are not doing any physical exercise. We feel like that, but every day it's very special, no? So okay, today let us have it. So every day, all the 1 month we had taken the snacks and every day special lunch. Actually, I don't like sweet very much. But all the entire duration, 1 month, I have taken that sweet also. The lunch is very delicious. Really, I'm speaking truly. It's not like I want to say something like that. So it's a good We have good resources, good facilities, good support, and always Harsha and team used to ask, ma'am, you want anything, do you have any problem? And I know that they helped me a lot. They helped all the people, all the participants I know. They are very flexible, and only in such environment anybody can participate in a good enthusiasm. So we have learned a lot, and special thanks to Mastan sir for
Entertainment.
having very good entertainment, and I want to thank Kotesh Rao Garu for his patience. Papa